Bordeaux, the wine capital of the world. A city steeped in history and tradition, where every street corner seems to boast a vineyard or a wine shop. For the novice wine enthusiast, navigating the labyrinth of Bordeaux's wine culture can be overwhelming. But fear not, for I am here to guide you through the basics of exploring this enchanting city. First and foremost, it is essential to understand the different wine regions of Bordeaux. The city is divided into several distinct areas, each known for producing a specific type of wine. The left bank, for example, is famous for its bold and tannic red wines, while the right bank is known for its softer and more approachable reds. The Entre-deux-Mers region, on the other hand, is renowned for its crisp and refreshing white wines. Once you have familiarized yourself with the different wine regions, it is time to start tasting. Bordeaux boasts an abundance of wine bars and tasting rooms, where you can sample a wide variety of wines from the region. Be sure to ask the sommelier for recommendations based on your preferences, whether you prefer a full-bodied red or a light and fruity white. Of course, no visit to Bordeaux would be complete without a tour of the city's famous vineyards. Many wineries offer guided tours and tastings, where you can learn about the winemaking process and sample some of the finest wines the region has to offer. Be sure to book your tour in advance, as they tend to fill up quickly, especially during the peak tourist season. As you explore Bordeaux's wine culture, it is important to remember that wine is more than just a beverage. It is a way of life. Take the time to savor each sip, to appreciate the complexity of the flavors and aromas, and to learn about the history and traditions that have shaped Bordeaux's wine industry. And finally, don't be afraid to ask questions. The people of Bordeaux are passionate about their wine, and they are always eager to share their knowledge with visitors. Whether you want to know more about a specific grape varietal or the best food pairings for a particular wine, don't hesitate to strike up a conversation with a local wine expert. In conclusion, exploring Bordeaux's wine culture is a journey of discovery and delight. From the vineyards of the left bank to the tasting rooms of the right bank, there is no shortage of opportunities to immerse yourself in the world of Bordeaux wine. So grab a glass, raise a toast to this magnificent city, and let the adventure begin. Santé.